I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring you affordable hair, makeup, and clothes on a budget. But if you're an oldie and a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's jump right into this video. Today is going to be a review on a hair that a company sent me by the name of Xtrend. It's their human hair wig. It came in a cute little box. Well, it came in a bag actually. It looks like this. And was wrapped. I think this is really nice. This can use to store your wig in. I don't have the box anymore. I just have this. And it's the hair on my head. Now, guys, I did record this video previously and it just didn't work out. So the wig is on my head. I had the part show, all of that is just gone. But anyways, this is your standard construction for a front. This is a lace front unit and it's in their 613 color, as you can see. It is ear to ear lace, and it's really nice. It's kind of translucent color lace, so you will have to like tint this lace or put your foundation on it, or you can even use lace tint, or you can go to Walmart or somewhere and get tanning spray in your shade and use that. It does have combs in it. It has 5 combs, so it has 4 around the lace part, and then it has a comb in the back, and it has an adjustable strap. I did not add an additional strap to this unit because I didn't feel like doing that. However, I did glue this unit down and I used Got To Be glue and their spray. So that's what I used to tack the wig down on my head. I did create baby hairs. It didn't come with baby hair, but it did come with a pre-plucked hairline, which looks pretty good. But you can always go in and pluck even more. I do like the wig. It is soft. It didn't tangle. I didn't receive a lot of shedding. It was minimum shedding, and I did condition this hair. It does take heat. It does take heat really well. If you want to curl this unit, you can go ahead and do so. I just left it straight because that's how I got it. I got it 613 and I got it straight, so I left it like that. The back of my head is pretty bumpy right now because my hair is not braided down as flat as it can, and again, I did not put a band in it, so it's not as flat as it normally is on my head. I just tacked it down for the sake of this video to show you guys what it looks like, but I do like it. And I know there's foundation on my lace. I apologize for that, guys. Again, as I said before, I am filming this video again. So, yeah. There's not really much to say about the unit. It's really nice. The company is very affordable. They also sell synthetic hair, so if you are into passion twists and all that stuff, they do have that on their website also. Everything will be listed down in the description box, the company link and the link for this hair, so do check them out. I really do like it. I don't know what you guys think about the 613 color, but you can get in a 1B. And you can try dyeing it. If you get in a 613, you can dye it a different color. I think I'm gonna try dyeing it maybe red or rose gold. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna try dyeing it though, because I don't know how I feel about the 613 on me. I feel like it looks, I'm trying to adjust to it, honestly. I'm really trying to adjust to the 613. I don't know. I took it to try it out. It is what it is. I think it's a nice unit. It is a 14-inch bob, like my previous 14-inch bob that was black, so you can see that this one is blonde. You can see how different it is. It's the same in length and everything. It's not a bob where the back is cut and the front is long. It's literally a 14-inch bob. Okay, yeah, I don't have much to say about this unit, guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the description box. If you guys would like me to review anything new, also leave it down in the description box. I am doing juice cleanse currently. That's kicking my ass, but I'm doing it because I'm seeing results. So let me know if you guys want to update on that also. I do have a new eyebrow tutorial coming out after this video, so do check that out. If you guys don't mind, please like this video, please share it, do leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe because I know you made it to the end of this video, so just hit that subscribe button. And until next time, this is your girl Tashina Beauty.